As you can see, there's a baby society sticking his head from the nest. They love that egg food, don't they? Every morning I give them egg food. It makes them want to breed more, lay more eggs, and have more baby finches. You hear the singing. These are Gouldian babies that you hear singing. They're getting their colors. They don't have all their colors yet, but you see how the males are singing non-stop. That's them singing. They're getting their colors. So we've had societies born, and now parson finches, which are called long-tailed finches. And also in this nest, I believe that there are owl finches laying on eggs. And here, I believe there are Gouldian finches laying on eggs as well. Let me see if I can find an owl finch. Oh, there's the owl finches. Those are owl finches. They look like little owls. Those are called owl finches. They are very fast, small, and very expensive as well. Look at the colors on these Gouldians, on that Gouldian. Look at those colors. Oops, he left.